Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking your ideal customer profile, industry, company size, functions, and geography. Once done, construct a tight Boolean search and apply 5-8 filters to cut noise. Make sure to save the search as an alert so new matches arrive automatically. Next, save the first 50 to 200 prospects into a named list and tag them by ICP and priority. This creates the dataset you will act on immediately. Now you refine and enrich. Filter by spotlights like posted content, recent job changes, or open to opportunities to surface receptive prospects. Then enrich each profile with company insights, shared connections, and mutual interests. Add notes or third-party data for context. Once enriched, score leads by engagement, seniority, and account fit, and prioritize the top 20%. Make sure to segment lists into outreach cohorts so you can craft tailored sequences that match buyer intent and timing. Finish by executing a tight outreach sequence. Send a concise, personalized connection note, then follow with a clear value message and 2 short follow-ups spaced over 7-14 days. Track response rate, meetings booked, and reply quality, and sync results to your CRM to close the loop. If things go wrong and responses are low, troubleshoot by tightening targeting, ramping up personalization, and running subject or message /B tests. This often reveals whether segmentation or messaging needs fixing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.